Hello and good evening. I'm CA Nidhi Bhaskar and I welcome you all to my channel. First of all, to all my viewers, wish you all a very happy new year. From my side, I wish you all that whatever you wanted to achieve last year and could not be achieved, definitely you achieve this year. May God bless you with all the health, happiness and success built for the year. Now coming to the agenda of the video, we were getting a common question from Delhi University students since a few days. The question was revolving around the conditional exemption which is attached with Delhi University students. That means if you are a student of Delhi University, you are eligible to claim conditional exemption of first 4 papers of ACCA, and you can directly sit in the skill level exams once your first semester is complete. Now, students were really confused because they were getting advised by some people that they should not avail this exemption, because taking this exemption can actually shatter their base. They were made to believe that if they have to build a stronger base of their ACCA, they should give all 4 exams, because these 4 exams are linked with the skill level as well as the P level. What's my take on that? Let's just read this point. So from my side, I will say there is a reason why ACCA has given this conditional exemption to Delhi University students. Number one, this reason has to be kept in mind. Your syllabus will cover the portion which is there under these 4 papers. Number one. Number two, if you really want to get that knowledge, why do you want to give the exam? It can be grabbed from just reading the books, studying the concepts, practicing questions. Number three, it won't damage you because the link is not more than 30% of what is there under F1 to F4. And that 30% you can drag by working extra 30% when you are dealing with the skill level. थोड़ी सी उसमें ज़्यादा मेहनत कर लेना. Because what is the cost attached with doing the knowledge level is my major area of concern. If you go ahead with taking coaching of knowledge level, you will land up paying approximately 50 to 60,000 bare minimum in the coaching plus the examination fees. So these 4 papers will cost you approximately 1 lakh rupees, Indian rupees. Why do you want to gain that knowledge by spending 1 lakh? You can gain that knowledge simply by studying the books also. These 4 papers are basic papers which will build your basic pillar. They are not something which are going to be extremely essential if you don't do them, then you are not going to crack skill level. It's nothing like that. There are a number of students who are there with us who belong to Delhi University, who have started their journey directly from skill levels and they are doing wonders. So don't worry. The only point which I want to highlight is if you want to gain knowledge, don't gain by giving exams, by taking coaching. You can do that on your own also. You are going to be future chartered accountants. So number one, start thinking about saving money, saving time, saving unnecessary effort. And trust the ACCA body. If they have given a conditional exemption to a particular qualification, there is a reason why they are doing it. Trust that and move ahead in your journey. Utilize all the facilitations which are given by ACCA. There is a reason behind it, and that reason is much more beneficial to you. I hope my video will clarify this doubt to many students who wanted to hear this from my side. So that clarifies from me. Don't get confused. Just move ahead in your journey, and may the new year make you progressive in your ACCA part also. Till the time, thank you so much. Take care and keep on growing, keep on studying.